Here we are at Duffryn level crossing in Carmarthenshire. MWL-18 to Pembrey Dock. Here we are at Llanelli East level crossing in Carmarthenshire. To Swansea, Llanelli, and up they go. Here we are back in Llanelli West level crossing in Carmarthenshire. To Newport and up they go. Here we are back in at Pembrey and Burry port level crossing in Carmarthenshire. I always see that one, 19720 to Swansea, and up they go. Here we are at Glanyrafon foot level crossing in Carmarthenshire. White River. 816 to London Painter, and it's gone. Here we are back in at Penybedd level crossing in Carmarthenshire. On the 7043, thanks. 7043 to Carmarthen Line, up they go. Here we are back in. Oh, Malfunction again. Here we are back in at Kidwelly station level crossing in Carmarthenshire. again. 7049 to Carl Central, and up they go. Here we are at Bertwyn level crossing in Carmarthenshire. back to Pembroke Dock and up they go. Here we are at Ferryside station level crossing in Carmarthenshire. That alarm skips. 197017. 197017 to Manchester Piccadilly and up they go.